what's up everyone? If you're a life insurance agent or a financial advisor looking to close more annuity cases, this video is for you. We're going to be breaking down the most effective marketing strategies to generate high quality leads and convert them into high ticket annuity sales. And the best part is these are proven methods that are already being used by the top producers. Stick around until the end because the last method is what we find is working best, and it's a game changer for those that are using. First and foremost, you can leverage strategic partnerships and referral network. This is one of the easiest ways to get more annuity clients. Instead of hunting for leads solo, cold calling, etc., you can leverage existing trust that's already built with professionals who already have relationships with your ideal clients. Examples of folks that you can partner with are CPAs. They work directly with high net worth clients and business owners who need tax efficient retirement planning strategies. You can also partner with estate planning attorneys. Their clients are already thinking long term and making annuities an easy conversation that you can naturally segue in. Another example of a group you can partner with is mortgage brokers. A lot of times they work with homeowners that are nearing retirement, and they may also be looking for safer income streams as they're in the older age bracket. The best way of implementing this is to offer value first. You want to be able to give these types of individuals some type of guide or workshop on tax advantage retirement income. You can do co-branded seminars to educate these types of individuals and build trust. Or you can leverage LinkedIn to connect and nurture relationships with a lot of these centers of influence before pitching collaboration. The second strategy you can leverage is educational workshops and dinner seminars. You may have already heard this before, but in 2024, educational marketing is king. Hosting free educational workshops is a great way to generate annuity leads, and you can even get more people to show up by feeding them. Why does this work? Because people buy from people they know, like, and trust, and the more you can educate them, the better they'll understand the products that you're able to offer. This helps build trust in a low pressure setting. Some things to keep in mind is you want to target pre-retirees and retirees, ideally folks who are older than 50 with retirement savings of $250,000 or more. Also, probably best that you promote these workshops via direct mail, Facebook events, and LinkedIn. Collect the attendee info and have a structured follow-up process in place so that you can really squeeze the juice out of everyone who attends these events. Now, at the end of the event, you want to make it clear that you're offering a free consultation to the attendees and maybe build some scarcity and only have 5 or 7 available time slots. The third strategy is using social media authority and organic content. Now, the reality is in 2025, if you're not leveraging social media, you are leaving money on the table. But the key isn't just posting randomly, it's positioning yourself as an authority. Some high impact content ideas that you can leverage are short form videos explaining annuities in simple terms. You can have the video structured for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and or YouTube Shorts. You can highlight some client success stories and case studies showing exactly who you've helped, what their situation was, and how you've helped them achieve their goals, such as getting them guaranteed income for life, market downturn protection, so on and so forth. Or another great strategy is making some myth busting posts about annuities being for the elderly, annuities being scams, so on and so forth, and you can bust these myths. Now, some things to keep in mind is you want to be consistent. Ideally, you're posting at least 3 times a week with 1 live session per month. You want to engage with folks in the DMs, people who are responding to content, so on and so forth. Some individuals may reach out to you even privately, and so being responsive is very, very important. Now, you can also use LinkedIn to build credibility because it tends to attract a more professional and high net worth audience. The fourth strategy that you can leverage is direct mail. It's still alive and very, very effective. You may think that direct mail is dead, but for annuities, it's a gold mine, especially when you do it right. A lot of times these individuals, they check their mail daily. It's less competitive compared to other methods like digital ads, and targeted mailers allow you to drive a high ROI by having a competitive offer, a free consultation, an educational blueprint magnet, etc., right? So on and so forth. Why does it work? Because a lot of times these pre-retirees and retirees still check their mail daily. It's less competitive compared to digital ads, and it allows for you to drive high ROI, especially when you're able to offer individuals a compelling offer. Now, the best practices are to send an invitation to an exclusive educational dinner or seminar, have a QR code that leads to a free retirement consultation. You can even test different formats: postcards, personalized letters, booklets, etc. You can use high quality premium paper. It builds credibility. Never underestimate. And the fifth method that you can leverage in 2025 to get more clients is through paid advertising. Now, this is the fastest way to flood your pipeline with high quality annuity clients. And this is where we help life insurance agents and financial advisors scale predictably. Now, why is this method effective? Because it allows you to get instant traffic to your funnel. You don't have to wait months for referrals or organic reach. You can actually control the targeting. You can focus on pre-retirees who've got above, say, $250,000 in assets. And these are people who are reaching out to you. You're pre-qualifying them. They're interested, many of whom are already pre-booking time slots on your calendar, right? You can leverage platforms like Facebook and Instagram, as well as Google Ads, to target people based on age, based on intent, etc., that are looking for retirement income solutions. You can also leverage YouTube ads with engaging educational content to warm up the leads. And last but not least, you want to have a retargeting strategy to stay at the top of mind of people who are engaging with your advertising. Now, some pro tips that you can utilize is using a lead magnet, such as a free retirement guide, annuity comparison chart, or a quiz to capture contact info before pitching. And having a strong follow-up sequence is critical, because if you have a great way to follow up with these people through email and text, it's going to help you improve your appointment booking rate, and as well as increase the speed at which the appointments are being booked. If you want to start generating predictable, high-quality annuity leads through paid online advertising, let's talk. Myself and my team, we help life insurance agents and financial advisors scale their business with a proven online marketing system. Click the link in the show notes below if you want to book a free strategy session with our team today. If you found this video valuable, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.